Hi everyone, today I am going to solve a PowerPoint assignment, PowerPoint3E Backyard Garden. In its project description, in the following project you will format the first 4 slides of the presentation that Backyard View is developing for their website regarding planning a backyard garden. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is open the PowerPoint, the file student PowerPoint 3E Backyard Garden downloaded with this project. I have already opened this file, that's our file. We will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, or Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will move to our second step. Change the presentation colors to green and then font to Calibri. So we will go to the change the presentation colors. So we will go to the view tab. Now here in the design tab, we will go to the variant. In the variant, we will go to the colors and we will go to the green. We will select the green color. The green color is now applied to the all slides. And what again other he says, and fonts to Calibri. So we will go to the this one and select fonts. So we will select here Calibri as a fonts. So we have applied fonts also Calibri. That's our second step. Our third step is on slide 1 format the background by changing its to a solid fill of in the third column the second color. So we will go to the background fill. We will go to the format background and here we will select solid fill and which one color in the third column the second color. So we will go, we will select third column second color, that is our third column second color. So we apply to our first slide. That's our third step. Our fourth step is select slide 2 and 3, then format the background of the two selected slides with the recycled paper texture. So we will go to the slide 2, we will press Ctrl button and then select. Now slide 2 and slide 3 are selected. What we need to apply? Then format the background of the two selected slides with the recycled paper texture. So we will go to the picture and texture fill and here we will select texture of the recycled paper texture. So we will find which recycled paper texture. So here in this we will find the recycled paper texture. We will see one by one, so it will tell us which one. That is our recycled paper background that we applied recycled paper texture. So that's our fourth step. On our fifth step, on slide 2, select the paragraph on the left side of the slide and then apply the split entrance effect. So we will go to the second slide, that is our second slide. We need to select the paragraph on the left side of the slide and then apply the split entrance effect. So we will go to the slideshow animation. Here we will apply split entrance effect, that is our split entrance effect we have applied on this. What and then apply the change the effect option to the horizontal out. So change the effect option to horizontal out, that's our horizontal out, and change the start setting to after previous. So we will go to the start setting after previous, that's our start setting after previous. And what is saying, change the duration to 1 minute. So we will go to the duration. Here we will select to 1 minute. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is use animation painter to apply the same animation from the paragraph 2 on slide 2 to the bullet list on the slide 3. Then on the slide remove the animation from the title. So we will select the format painter. That's our format painter. We will go to the slide 3. That's our slide 3. We will apply format painter on this. We will apply format painter on all this. So that's our, we need to copy what, use animation painter to apply the same animation from the paragraph. So we will go to the animation painter, that is we will go to the animation, and here we will select the animation painter. That's our animation painter to apply this one to this slide. We have applied the animation painter to third slide. Now selecting this, remove this, what he is saying. Then on the slide remove the animation from the title. So from this we need to remove the effect, split interest. We need to remove. We need to remove the effect. That's our sixth step. We have total 14 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignments, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me by scanning my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the front of the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.